project, we are going to choose a design on Cricut Design Space. So I went with a stack of books that will be facing the viewer on my mug, and then I also wrote books 24/7, and I cut books 24/7 in a different color of vinyl. Also, don't forget to measure your mug so that you don't make your design too big or too small. Now it's time to add our material to our mat. I will be using one of the colors from the Cricut Premium Vinyl Summer Sampler Set. Cut a rectangle out of your material that is larger than 4x10. Once you have cut your material, take your mat and begin putting it onto your mat so that it can be cut on your Cricut. Once you have finished cutting your material, begin putting it on your mat, lining it up in the corner on your mat. I use a brayer tool to stick it down. Now it's time to load your mat into your Cricut. While your Cricut is cutting, prep your mug by washing it with soap and water and only carry it by the handle. Remove your vinyl from your mat. Now it's time to weed your project. Next, get your application tape and apply it to your vinyl. Now it is time to apply your vinyl to your mug. Next, run your brayer across your design on your ceramic. Have our saying for our mug cut out from our Cricut. It's time to apply this to our mug too. Now that we have applied our vinyl to our mug, it is time to seal it. To prep our mug for sealing, I'm going to take paper tape and tissue and begin sealing in the handle. Once you have covered your handle, it is time to seal in your cup. After you've wrapped the handle, wrap it in regular tape and then wash your mug. I did 7 layers of spray paint on mine, but they were very light layers. And now that the spray paint layer is done, it is time to remove our protection on the handle. And now your mug is done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you next time.